Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and customize the cart notification widget, a feature that provides instant, real-time feedback when a customer adds a product to their cart. This widget helps customers stay on the same page, avoiding redirects or cart drawer interruptions. It keeps shoppers engaged and makes browsing seamless, all while confirming their items have been successfully added. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the cart notification widget, click on Debutify Widgets, select the cart notification. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Cart Notification. Here you can customize all settings, such as heading, internal name for the widget. Avoid changing this to prevent display issues. Show on. Decide where the cart notification will be displayed. Desktop. Appears only when customers browse on a desktop or laptop. Mobile. Appears only on mobile devices. Both. Displays across all devices. Show product image. Toggle to show or hide product image in the notification. Text. Customize your message. Example, product title, item has been added to your cart. Checkout button text. Customize the label for your checkout button. Close icon. Add your preferred icon for closing the notification. Example, close. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, custom. Create your own palette for full control. And that's it. Your cart notification widget is now fully set up. With this feature, you can provide seamless feedback, keep customers engaged, and improve the overall shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.